ever use lightsabers to light your shot? My name is Liv, and I have a lot of stickers. I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but when I get a sticker that I fall in love with, the idea of peeling the back off, selecting something to put it on, and then placing it there forever just causes me immense anxiety. I mean, forever is just such a long time. Because of that, I have just an ever-growing collection of stickers that I adore. I really need to find a place to put them. And so I have. With the encouragement of you guys and also the encouragement of finishing a video, I have decided to put all of my beloved stickers onto one spot and make a piece of art. And the art we'll be making is going to be on a cart. So it's like an art cart. But the purpose of the cart is to cater to my plants, of course. I have a lot of dirt and misters and various things that I use to take care of my plants, so I thought we could put them all on the cart and perhaps some plants on the cart as well, and then I can roll it around my apartment to take care of all of my living babies. So in that case, we're really building a plant bar art cart. Apart, if you will. So I thought I could take you through some of my favorite stickers, and then we can rip off the band-aid, or in this case rip off the sticker, and place them on the cart forever. And I just hope it's a very therapeutic, relaxing experience for you, and maybe for me too. I know I've been making a lot more interior design art videos lately, and it's been a little while since I've made a video about software, coding, or 3D modeling. I think that's just because I'm doing so much of that at work right now that these videos have been a really fun, different creative outlet for me. But I have a ton of ideas for various robots and automated things, so stay tuned for those coming soon. And as always, it is a great day for science, and I hope it is a great day for you. Bye!